may lakad po kami ngayon. Kasama natin si Nang Diana, si Brod, at yung kanyang apo. Pitado kami sa kasalan. Bali, pamangkin ni Nang Diana, yung ikakasal. Yan po, Nang Diana. Yan. Si Brod at yung kanyang anak nasa likuran. Munti ko na hindi makilala si Nang Diana kanina. Punta kami ng Mabinay Spring. Doon po yung venue sa kasal. Nasa Panyamunan pa tayo. Pero hindi po natin kasama si Mrs. at sila si Jigger III, Jigger Jr. Kasi classic. At si Jigger Jr. kahit mga ilang araw pa lang yung klase nila, busy na. Nasa senior high na po si Jigger Jr. grade 11. At busy na siya ngayon. So hindi na pwedeng umabsent si Jigger Jr. Tapos si Jigger III grade 1 na. Dati po nang nasa preschool pa siya, palagi siyang pina-absent namin pag may mga okasyon. Pero ngayon hindi na pwedeng palagi umabsent si Jigger III. Baka masanay. Sponsor po ngayon sila si Nang Diana at si Buron. At first time pa natin magka-attend ng kasal ngayon na yung groom ay isang foreigner. Amerikano yan ang lahat. Amerikano. Yung babae po yung pamangkin ni Nang Diana. Anak ng kanyang kapatid, so bali pamangkin ko din. Kasi pinsan ko si Nang Diana. At yung nanay na babae. Ikaw ba nitong ikasal? Asa to dapat? Dito na po kami oh. Maninoy ka ron? Ah. Please ah. Lulu. Please ni Lulu.
Asa mo dapat di ay?
Alan Garcia.
Marami tayo no?
O, dili ba sila napunta? Ah, dire kasala ito. Pinsan ko, isang pastor din.
Hello.
Ayaw kay di tatantong lahi ay. Kala ko po ulit na kami ni pare. Ni Borod. Kaya alas 2 ko no.
Tumingog kayo bro.
Uh,
Alas 2 mo ko no.
alas 2 yan no.
Sa sapo.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
He is Nathaniel, oh. Yan. Future husband of my pamangkin.
Yeah.
Husband na jud?
Husband.
Husband.
Dili na future husband.
Yo.
Husband
Pare.
today.
Pare pastor.
Pare.
Parisikan.
Kuya ya ni Ron.
Oh, ikaw may interpreter ana ron. You're the one who interpret.
Marjon yan din asa tos Marjon.
Oh. Hey ma'am,
Lagi ka na ako isa.
you're next.
Naagi si Auntie Margie.
Niagi mo ko ninyo ko.
Mugani, si The Island pag ako niko.
Niagi mo ko. Yan no, anto naman ka. Wala rin problema.
Morning.
Pinsan ko. Marami akong pinsan dito.
Provincial.
From Singapore, from Dawes.
First time.
Welcome to my vlog.
Avid followers.
Silent viewers from Singapore.
Belated. Ang nabi.
Pinsan. Mayaman dito sa Ruan.
Dato na to kay kubre mo.
Dato man tas langit.
Sa langit.
Oh.
Pero dito.
Mr. and Mrs. Loo.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Ah.
Okay kayo
Are you
sir.
excited?
I'm excited so. Nana may engagement.
Mr. and Mrs. Belina. Mr. and Mrs.
Calling
Belina.
your family, me and brother Julius.
Pinsan ko yung partner ko ngayon, oh. Maglagay ng bilo.
First time.
The first time. Wala si Mrs. Sunod yung minimo doon, asak ka mo pungko doon. Special yung lakawa. Zero.
Lagi siya mo.
Asa na yung kakuan dyan? Bais mo? Taga bais mo?
Kailan ka niya sa
Ila?
Okay.
May kompetensya sa ano.
Okay, bye.
Ay, napalit.
Ceremony of Nathaniel and Charissa. First, we will honor the Lord Almighty God, who has given us a chance today to celebrate this union of these two hearts. Sa oras tanan ato sa simbahon ng Ginoo, pasalamatan ng Ginoo nini kahapon that gihatagan ta niya ang maayog yung panahon. Pero ni balik ka mo ba makuman gani as much as I can tungod kay isog ta in English. Yeah. Alam kong initagas. Nathaniel and Charissa, as you contemplate the meaning of your vows to each other, realizing that henceforth your destiny known apart.
I promise to provide a foundation for us to grow our relationship so that we may live a long and happy, fulfilling life together.
Wow. Thank you. Give it to Charissa.
To you, Mahal, I know you're both nervous, but this is our moment. We must enjoy it. I just want to say thank you for all your sacrifices, for our long-distance relationship. Stand by your side to support and cherish you and all the seasons of our life together. I vow to be your confidant, your partner in other joy, and your comfort in times of sorrow. I promise to love you unconditionally, to respect and honor you, and to always strive to be the best version of myself for you. I look forward to a lifetime of laughter, love, and growing old together. With all my heart, I love you then, but I love you more today, and I will love you more and more tomorrow. That's patience.
Okay. Thank you for your
Tag-promise ba?
vows. Inamahat mo nila.
Nathaniel,
I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a symbol of my vow,
as a symbol of my vow,
and with all that I am,
and with all that I am,
with all that I have,
with all that I have,
I honor you
I honor you.
in the name of. The veil is a symbol of God's grace that envelops our whole life. It also symbolizes the love and concern that the people of God will extend to you as you struggle with them in pursuit of truth. And also the cord. The cord is a symbol of ultimate unity that God bestows upon both of you. Your lives shall never sell, and with that of your fellow beings. I will give it to you. You put it in your pocket. Please. Salamat kayo ninyo mga ninong, mga pare. Ito sa puko, ikuha nila ninong, mga pare. Okay.
Nanday na.
So, na may parinira na yung binisayo. Hindi ko ni sabi ko dire. Ato ni sila tawanan ako. Halika.
I said to them to aspire, I want to be there. With all of my heart, help me to love you more than I love her. Then I know I can love her more. Cherish and serve her, will bring you glory today.
Give thanks to your new mama and papa. Our couple, Nathan and Charissa, will light up the unity candle. So, this candle, this one candle represents upon one life and also. Okay. You blow. Basta mapasok ka din. Hirapan gusto. Okay? By the authority committed to me as a minister of the Gospel of Jesus Christ, of the Assemblies of God, I now pronounce Nathaniel and Charissa as husband and wife. Can we give a clap? Offering. Allow me to present to you our newlywed, Mr. Nathaniel Clay and Mrs. Charissa Morgan as our newlywed. Hinay na daw yung palakpak. Ikan ka na here. It's a waited moment. Nga kita gihuwat sa atong tanan nga niya karon nga nagkaiusa nining mga room is the first kiss. Nina, the whole congregation this afternoon will watch you the way you kiss your bride. So, can you put off the veil of your bride? Wala pa rin mo. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Opportunity to our newlywed couple. Thank you. Just as long as you stay. So darling, stand by me. Oh, you stand by me. So all guests, stand by. Relatives, side of mother's bride. The world is not, and the moon is the only light we'll see. Again, requesting all groomsmen and bridesmaids.
Oy, gutom na di ay?
Kami kayo nakapaka-pray sa'yo.
Pika-pika muna. Sa mga nagugutom dyan, may pika-pika. Timo-timo.
Timo-timo nga kaon naman din eh.
Vlogger na siya.
Pinang dahil na. Abi na, bunang ikaw kakanta dito?
Ah, dili ko
Pare. Pero wag ko kailan mo pre? Wag ko kailan? Karon nakailan na jud ko. Si Buron? Ilado kayo? Ilado? Itong. Pag iwang pika-pika. Sa pika-pika. Si Manang Rachel, kapatid ni Nang Dayna. Yan. Yung andito, halos lahat mga kamag-anak ko lang. Ito po, pamangkin. Pamangkin. Anak ni Nung Daniel.
My first inaanak ko, di ba?
Ha?
My first inaanak.
Pagmangko ni mo, ako ni mo? Kinugos? Ah. Ay, ako ina maunahan ka pa. Huwag mong sabihin ha, na maunahan ka pa.
Hindi.
Ha? Ito, pamangkin din. Marad!
As you're going to have your close up together with the newlywed couple. And also to our principal sponsor.
Pastor, pwedeng gumawa ng channel sa YouTube. Approve. Ayos. Subukan nyo. May kay tingog. Wapo ko, sada kay tingog. Tingog. Liwat sa amahan.
Oh, makanta ng amahag dahong laya.
Dahong laya dai.
Apa mo kapirmaan eh?
Pare. Sige pare. Oy, sinang Dayna iyang apo. Si Saiki gagab-gab man kaganihat ki.
Gutom siya. Gutom ang baby.
Gutom. Pero pakaraga na raw, di ba? Di mo kapasana. Di man muka vlogger gon. Di mo kaon. Di mo kaon vlogger. Si grupo. Ina, kru. Bird passer deh. Kainan na bro.
Halo, kipantos ko naman.
Kipantos ko malaw. Pre. Kasayaw na tos buron oh.
Wala kay gunitan mo sa. Wa pa siya guniti ay wala na to siya. Wave na to siya.
This is Nomi Valoria.
Ati lang manang.
Oh.
Lang manang.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have Mr. Daniel Commodore and Mrs. Angeline Commodore. And there, ladies and gentlemen, our set of principal sponsors. Let's give them a big round of applause, please. At this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, I know that you are all excited to take the center stage. And hit it, DJ!
1, 2, 3, let's go!
Oh my God, lower! Yes! Ang best na ko, ang disco naman. And Mrs. Irene Villacorta. And our board, we have Mr. and Mrs. Olares. So give a round of applause. And to our ring bearer, we have Ken David Romano, our Bible bearer, Zach Senior, Hungkuai, and our coin bearer, Jigger Villacorta III. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, today is indeed a very special day and will forever be etched in the memory of our beloved couple. For today marks the new beginning of their new life together. On this day forward, they shall keep on this joyful beginning. What could be more fitting is to celebrate this in their first day.
I just want to give a short message to our newlyweds this point of time. I just want to say congratulations to the both of you. And as you go to your new journey as husband and wife, I wish that God will always bless you wherever you go in this world. He will always be there, and please put God in the center of your relationship, no matter what it takes. Whatever distractions or trials that may come, just only pray, close your eyes, because God will give the solutions and all the problems that you may. Okay? So everyone, my request, let's have a toast to our newlywed.
Cheers, everyone!
Kain na po. Yan.
We're all just the way stood inside. It's going on and on. I'll never you will be. I just can't believe that you were mine now. You're just a dream that I once knew. I never thought I would be right for you. I just can't go back you in everything is one as endless as forever. We'll stay forever. You're all I need to be with forever.
Ganyan pa to, wala po mga baboy rin dito.
Salamat na.
Wala, malita ka.
Ano mga?
Dugang mo dito skuan.
Bato mo dito gang. Buffet.
Grupo ni Bro do.
Bato dito gang.
Kaon.
Buffet.
Ako ni Bro.
Ano kuman naman tagkaon dito kinakaon.
Pare, ulit na ka pare?
Salamat sa gayon na ihatag.
Ulit na ka? Layo para bato nyo ha.
Salamat, Pastor.
Uwi na po kami mga kaprobinsya oh. Busog na. Yung apo ni Nanay na oh.
Busog na.
Busog na.